Hey, what's up? It's Stefan back at it. We're gonna look at some Air Jordan Zoom 1s today.
Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up, get lit. Wake up.
Alright, you know the drill. First things first, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, show me you're okay with this content. I'm showing you guys some different legit items that are out there. One cool thing about this Nike box though, before I open this up, looks like they set this box up to offset 100% the carbon emissions for the shipment. You got a nice little tearaway part here. Definitely a different box I've ever gotten from Nike. And then they also have this reseal tape for if maybe they don't fit or something, I gotta return them. And then also this Nike box, hey, look at this. The shoe box is cardboard color. They still did put the black bar down below, and then you got your Nike logo on the top, on the sides, on the bottom, you know, copyright information, and then you have your sticker tag. I'll zoom in for you guys on that. There is that sticker tag for you. Normally, Air Jordan 1s are very coveted, especially right now with that new TV series that came out, or the documentary, I guess. This is the Air Comfort BBS, I guess is the name for them. So they're a little bit different, and actually the lid opens, I thought it would open this way, but it totally just comes off of there completely. And you've got this piece of cardboard in here. It would be cool if they were stickers, but looks like it's just a piece of cardboard with that printed. And on the back, what is going on here? What is this thing? Okay, so they're telling you about the shoe. This is the Air Jordan 1 Zoom Air Comfort. It was designed in Beaverton, Oregon, or re-engineered for ultimate comfort. The collar is made of 2 free-floating foam panels for a more relaxed fit. Foam pods under perforated lining in both the tongue and collar for added comfort around the ankle. They have the sole all lined out, so you have the sock liner. You have a heel Zoom bag top loaded into foam, and you have the foam drop-in allows for all-day comfort. The rubber sidewall allows for the comfort of foam with iconic Outsole look of the Jordan 1. So yeah, cool deal. You have a little scan code in the box to make sure that you are getting an authentic pair. I'll go ahead and grab one of them out of here. They got a Z printed all over on this for the Zoom. And then, yeah, this paper is kind of weird. It's a weird waxy sort of paper. And there is your shoe. Oh man, these are so dope. I did grab these in a 10.5, which is my normal size. A lot of people are saying that I should size up for these because they're kind of snug. We'll find out. I do like to try and get everything in my regular size and then just see how it fits so I can let everybody else know what we're looking at. This is definitely a lot more intense than the regular Zooms. I have another pair of the Jordan 1 Zooms. These ones here are just the regular Air Jordan 1 Zoom. Yeah, there's a lot more going on with this one, like this outsole. The bottom grip pad is all one piece. And on this one too, yeah, this is a regular Zoom, I guess. But then this Air Comfort Zoom is more intense because it looks like this middle section, this green here, is like a really comfy piece of React foam or something like that. And then you have the more grippy black rubber outsole. Like this feels kind of slippery almost. And then the black feels really rubbery and sturdy. And then at the tongue, it does say Zoom Air. And then on the back, oh, look at that. It says boys. On the inside here, like there's so much padding, it's even hard to really look into the shoe. They did lace it all up too, which is kind of odd. Normally on a Jordan 1, you got to lace it up yourself. They have little hints like this extra piece of leather coming up from the eyelets. They have it loose, and then underneath you have your little Zoom tag. And yeah, you got it loose on that side as well. You got 3 separate layers of material. They let you see all that. And then the perforated little sides here on your heel. There's just so much cushioning, so many layers going on with this shoe. Let me take out the insole maybe if I can. Maybe it doesn't. No, actually I don't think it's gonna come out of there. I think it's stuck. But anyways, yeah, you've got this exposed foam, kind of a greenish looking foam, some mint sort of vibes, and you have this denim looking material. This actually, yeah, this back here is actually denim. And then you have that snake skin vegetarian leather or I don't know if it's technically vegetarian leather necessarily, but I do think that it is some sort of synthetic leather because like the back of this looks totally or feels like felt. But then this black leather behind the felt, this does feel like actual real leather, and on the toe box feels like real leather. I'm gonna grab out the other one here. Okay, they gave us a couple of different laces. I saw that kind of visible before I got them out of there, but yeah, you got 2 different lace options. You've got this purple that kind of matches that purple color, and you've got that super bright green, and it almost matches the green on the bottom, and then your green around the heel with that exposed foam. We'll get those off of there. I'm not going to change up the laces. I do like this black setup, and plus they already laced them for me, so it's less work just to steal with the black ones. And the purple and the green, those ones are really going to be some major color pop. I don't know if you want that. If you do, definitely go after it. I guess it really just depends on what outfit you got, what you'll be looking at. But yeah, this one says bayou, boys bayou. That's so weird. The back of these tongues. The left says bayou, the right says boys. I don't know, what does that mean? If anybody knows what that means, definitely hit me up in the comments with the answer, because I'm just up here in Montana and not really hanging out that much with people who know what's going on, so let me know. I've just been chilling at home actually this whole week, which has been really nice to get a break. Try and get some stuff done around the house. Man, this pair, I mean, it's nice that they laced them for me, but seriously, I can't get my foot in there. Okay, we're almost there. Let me just stomp it in. Yeah, all right. Yeah, so definitely these ones are snug. I probably should have gone up half a size, but I think I'm still gonna get by. It should be fine. My toe is not touching the end, but yeah, this shoe has so much going on, and really just the overall look and vibes of this shoe, I just could not say no. So dope. I mean, they are a solid pair, and plus it's new tech. These ones totally are even more comfortable than their other Zoom options, so you're getting a lot with that. And then yeah, the insole is like, I don't know, looks like green lava or something. Yeah, something like that, you know. And this Swoosh Is Inset. There's just so much going on, so much to talk about. They've got like this ankle part coming up out of what would be maybe a low top, this cut down below. So you got your low top, and you got the middle section coming out, and then you got your blacked out logo. So nice to do that blacked out. If they would have done it white, I don't know, it just wouldn't have given the same vibes off. It's really nice and subtle that way, and just flows really nice. So this shoe, I mean, those colors, they did a really great job, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna look good on feet, so let's check them out.
Fell years ago, while I was spinning slow. Hurt was never my goal. I had to kill my ego. I'm evil, I know, to betray your soul. You know my heart you stole from the chaotic get-go. We can't defy the gravity of mine. Like a glove. Is it really enough? I might have tripped, but for you I fell like a working bee. Honey got me in a spell. It's all in the past. I know it's hard to tell. First had to come and last. I took us both through hell. Nothing to hide. You can't confide in mine. Fits me like a glove.
You know the drill. Before I let you go, I'm gonna shoot some positivity at you today. I've got a quote from Carl Jung. Every form of addiction is bad, no matter whether the narcotic be alcohol, morphine, or idealism. Oh man, that quote. This dude, Carl Jung, he's got a lot of different ideas out there, and people have taken his ideas and maybe not totally understood exactly what he was trying to say, and maybe went on some weird paths. I've heard some people say you gotta be careful when you read Carl Jung or listen to some of his lectures and whatnot. So, Yeah, when there are certain things that you crave so much, you have to get after them. You have to try and find it when you don't have it. I mean, those are dangerous. And it's not just things you can take that stimulate your mind or something like that, like physical things, but it's also idealism. Some people are chasing some very negative ideals that they need reinforced, and the internet really helps people right now be able to do that. We have a lot of echo chambers where people are just echoing the same infected information back at each other, and it's just helping the people who are trapped in that be more trapped and more consumed with it. And then when they hear alternating views, now they've got to go search out that idealism again deeper, and it just becomes a struggle, and it makes people be very angry. I don't know if you know anybody who's really angry right now, but I do. I know a few. There's a lot of people right now that just are not letting anything give them peace. They just want to be angry, and unless you agree with them, then they're not really gonna tell you their true feelings. They're just gonna be surface level to you and just kind of, I don't know. And we got to be careful ourselves to not get caught up in thinking that we're better than other people, or thinking our group of people is better than another people's group, thinking our country is better than another country or something like that. We really got to come together and realize that we're all humans, and we all just need that love and acceptance. We need to spread that love and acceptance to everybody, because there's a lot of people out there who think that there's a group of other humans that are the enemy or that are evil or what have you. And I believe that thinking any particular human or group of people being evil is bad idealism, and it can be very addictive. And I know it can, because I've been in the religious circle my whole life, and I've seen how that self-righteousness and putting down of other people groups, even if you're doing it in a light-hearted way or something, which a lot of people try and do, it's very negative, and it can do bad things to your psyche. And I wish it wasn't such an issue, but it is. So we all got to take charge of our mind and make sure we're not getting caught up in any weird idealism or any weird ways of thinking. We just got to take a step back and think about ourselves, think about our mind, really just take control. Be your own person. Don't let other people choose your belief system or choose your values. Really understand that that's got to come from you. It's got to come from a deep place so that it can really take root and be real and be authentic and everything like that. So anyways, I love you all. I'm gonna go enjoy Thanksgiving, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work, but a snack, won't try to get a pill.